Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can deposit money onto your Bybit account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bybit application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the home page. Now from this page, look for the deposit button at the top section. Once you tap on it, you will now see the options to deposit both crypto and fiat currency within your account. Go ahead and make your selection between crypto and fiat. And once you have chosen your currency or crypto, you can proceed forward to the purchase. Just enter the amount that you wish to buy and then press the next button. You will now be asked to choose your payment method. Just choose from the various different payment methods that are available and you can tap on the buy option. You will now be taken into your payment confirmation page where you will need to enter the details of your payment method. So if you have chosen your credit or debit card, for instance, you will need to enter your email address followed by your first and your last name, your date of birth, as well as your card number. Then enter the expiration date as well as the CVV or the CVC number. Once you have entered all of these details correctly, tap on the checkbox to declare that your information is correct. Then tap on the continue button, and once your payment has concluded and the amount has been deducted from your payment method, your deposit will complete as well. You can then go into the assets page in order to check all of your deposits and how much cash or crypto you have. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to deposit money onto your account on Bybit. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.